Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening all over the world. Today is April 17, 2025. I'm at work and I'm leaving soon. I get a chance to take a video while coworkers are inside. They don't like to be filmed, so as a respect, I won't include them. Next day, it was Saturday, April 18, 2025. Taking train every day is convenient. Train in Japan is always on time. You know, it's summer here after Sakura season, and you can see a lot of flowers growing on the way. Rate all those flowers. Say it. It is beautiful, isn't it?
I didn't know that this has a flower just like cabbage, red cabbage. It's look like, and this is nice. One more here. Awesome flower. Great. One more. It's really almost summer. We got a lot of flowers, different kind of flowers. And the red one. Awesome.
Hi, welcome to Amslu Sabi channel.
I got what I ordered. Let me see.
And guys, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to all over the world. Today's video is unboxing. I ordered most of it are for my underwear, and voila! I hope I can see the real one. We'll see. It's a vest with bra. Oh, here we go. One. Here. Love it. Wait. Di masyadong makuha. Anyway. Kita nyo naman. Love it. Oops. I love it. And I like the tela. Makapal siya. Pwede siyang pang ano naman. Pwede siyang pang kwan.
Bahala na kayo. Excited lang ako. And 1, 2. Ganda siya sa likod. Nakaganyan. No? All in all, it seems great. Try ko nga. Wait lang ha. Wait. Paano ba mag-pause? Guys, maganda siya. Cotton. Large size siya, pero parang mas medyo maano-ano pa sa akin. Look at the back. Yung X. It's nice kapag naka-dress ka lang na shorts. I mean, sleeves. Maganda. Hindi lang maganda yung puson ko. Wait. Ito yung orange. So, look. Maganda siya. At the back. Tapos, kanina sabi ko masikip, di ba? Pero here, look. May adjustable pala. Ayan o. Ay, ayaw matanggal. Kanina nakalagay siya sa last. So, meron siyang So, adjustable siya. Now, nakalagay siya. Large ito. This is large. Maganda. Awesome. Good. There it is. It's nice. And one more. Nice, nice, nice. Right? Hindi niyo makita yung kung gaano kahaba. Ayan. Ganyan kahaba. Ayoko lang nito. Ang bilbil. Bow. Nice oh. Maganda siya. Sarap sa sa katawan. It's good. Oh, yan. Ganda, di ba? Pwedeng ito na lang, oh. Diretso jacket na. Oh. Awesome. That is awesome! Great. Peace. This bra also, I have different kind of color. It's nice, but you know, the texture is good as well. Para kang walang suot. Ayan o, seamless. It's nice. Here's another color. It's nice. Ayan! O, di ba maganda? Great. Wala nang lalaglag. See? This is also the same. It's nice, di ba? Ganda ng tela. Wala nang babakat na sa bra. Wala pang lalaglag na strap. Kasi as you can see, maano ako eh. May scoliosis ako. So, ito nakababa na. So, kapag bra, bumababa siya. But this time, I think, wala na. It's nice. But look, I ordered also a pajama. Ayan o, parang ang laki-laki, di ba? Pero pag sinuot ko na, it's so nice and comfortable. See? How is it? Pati pajama. Akala mo laki-laki. Actually, it is really just enough. See? Hindi ko akalain ganito na ako kataba. Kalaki pala.
But it's okay. Hindi ko makuha ng buong ano eh. Wala akong... Paano ko ba makakunan to ng buo? Tingnan nga. Ayaw. Nice siya. Nice. I love it. May short din siya. If you want, you know, it's so nice. Approve, Temo. You are great. Next day, Saturday, April 18, 2025. It is my routine every morning before going to work. Just brush teeth, wash my face only. Walang ligo. Don't judge me, ha? Nahawa na siguro ako sa mga hapon sa gabi naliligo. Relate ka ba dyan? Actually, kailangan ko ng bagong lampshade dyan. Wala kasing ano. Namamatay na siya. Grabe, ang laki ng itinaba ko. From M size to L size na ako ngayon. Sino ba naman tatanggi sa masarap na pagkain? Ayan, rice bigay sa akin.
Bit. Bigay lang to sa akin. It's rice. Rice is life, di ba? Rice.
Pag uwi ng bahay, walang lutong rice. Kaya spaghetti para mabilis-bilis. Luto muna lunch. Let's have some lunch. Tuna spaghetti with egg. Pagkatapos kumain, eto. Kailangan maglaba. Sabado kaya. It's my laundry day. So, it's night time. Hindi ko na kayo isasama sa paliligo. Alangan naman. Alangan namang isama ko pa kayo sa paliligo. Thank you so much for watching and I love you all. God bless! Thank you for continuous watching. Mwah! Take care. Subscribes Ems Lusabia channel.